Hey guys, Cynthia Pettion here with AWS Mining. I am the international team lead for Team Nova, which is a team inside of AWS Mining. And today we're going to be doing a presentation and introducing you briefly to AWS Mining and what it is that we do. Okay, so AWS Mining is headquartered in Sydney, Australia. We have mining farms across China, Paraguay, and Mongolia. The goal of the company is to make accessible, regardless of age, location, investment amount, a cloud mining service for mining cryptocurrencies, which are digital coins. So it's a little different from traditional business models that involve having to purchase your own machines and configure software, in that we provide the service for you as a cloud hosting service, and you can just purchase or lease use of our machines in order to be able to mine digital coins, aka cryptocurrency. Now, we have offices in Australia, China, and Hong Kong. And yes, if you call any one of these offices, somebody will answer the phone for you. And let me talk to you a little bit about the owners of the company. We have Ivan Albertin, who's in charge of product development, Daniel Badusky, who's our chief operational officer, Eric Mew, who comes to us actually from CoinDesk, and he's the data center manager, aka Mining Farms. During the past 2 years, he's been very involved firsthand with building and managing Bitcoins, and it actually formed a perfect marriage between our current owners who have a background in traditional sales and network marketing. We also have Mr. Alexander Campos and Tiago Kirsten, who are our business manager and environmental manager. So I mentioned that we mine several different coins, but the most popular, of course, is the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin actually got started back in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, and by 2010, it was used to purchase the first 2 slices of pizza. By 2014, it's being widely introduced in all types of fields, including healthcare, education, and now in 2017, this was actually $3,000 when we started this, and the Bitcoin as of today is over $8,000. So just even in the past few months that we've started this project, it has gone from a value of $3,000 to over $8,000, which is absolutely phenomenal. There's over 1,000 coins right now that are being traded on the market, but the Bitcoin by far is the most popular. It's been around the longest, and it's worth the most. Now, the Bitcoin, along with any type of digital coin that you use, has a global presence. It's the best way to make any international transaction. It's decentralized, okay? It doesn't belong to any entity or any government. And it's a revolutionary new way of doing business, and it's very simple to use. So what exactly is crypto mining? Okay, because that is the service that AWS Mining offers, is the mining of these digital currencies. So cryptocurrencies do not require any intermediaries to work. The users themselves validate all the transactions that go across the network. Now, the act of validating those transactions is actually what the mining process is. All right, it's done through a series of algorithms and mathematical problems that are solved by computers. And whenever that is done, the block, okay, or the network deposits a profit or commission for the people that are mining it. So you can purchase your own hardware, have it in your house, set it up, and do it yourself, but it is a costly process. It can cost you thousands of dollars to have a mining rig. Then there's cooling and electricity and everything that has to be taken into consideration. So by using a service like AWS Mining, we provide the equipment, you lease it from us, and you avoid the hassle of having to purchase and operate your own equipment. Also, one thing to keep in mind is because we are mining different cryptocurrencies, that every single coin actually has its own mining rig or computer that needs to be used. You can't use a Bitcoin rig to mine Monero, for example, and vice versa. So you can have all this different equipment in your house that literally costs you thousands of dollars, or you can use a service like ours and just basically lease the use of it. So that's what AWS Mining offers. It is a hosted mining service that allows you to be able to utilize our equipment and lease our mining power. Now, before we move on, I'm going to talk briefly about our packages and how you can get involved and how you can earn income with AWS Mining. But this is just something I want to point out and address very quickly, only because I hear about it so much. And this is supplied by blockchain.info. And blockchain has a list of the largest mining pools that currently exist. Now, mind you, the biggest mining pools, not all mining pools. So this is not meant to be an all-inclusive list. But a lot of times people will look at this and say, I don't see AWS mining in here. Why is that? You must not be mining. Well, that's because we're not a mining pool. This does not show you everybody who is mining inside of the pool. We are miners ourselves. We participate in mining pools. And the beauty about that also is that we have the ability to come in and out of any one of these pools if they become too crowded. Because at the end of the day, as the Bitcoin or any digital coin, the value goes up, so does the difficulty rating, because there's more people mining those coins. So you want to be able to avoid pools that have a heavy number of miners in it, because the more miners that are in it, that means the less profit that you'll receive. So this is something that we monitor very carefully. And once we feel that a pool has reached too much capacity, we pull out of it. But we are not a pool ourselves. We may introduce it at a later time, but right now we are participating in any one of these pools. So once you do purchase a package with us, you will have access to a mining panel that looks very much like this. It actually shows you what it is that you're earning in crypto mining power. It shows you what your gross is, what your net is, and what your daily earnings are. And any one of these buttons, you can click on them and it'll actually itemize for you on a daily basis what your earnings are. So very transparent. It shows you everything that's being earned on a daily basis. So how do you purchase a plan with AWS Mining? So you would just go to our website, make sure that you have a sponsor link, okay, because otherwise you'll just be placed randomly somewhere on a team, and we want to make sure that you stay with whoever it is that referred you to the program so that they can continue to support you as well. But once you register your account, you'll have access to the mining plans, and from here you can actually customize any amount. Our mining plans start as little as $40. And you can build in increments of $40 all the way up to really an infinite amount. These are some preset packages that we have. Again, you can start at 40, it can be 80, 120, 160, whatever you want. But we do have some preset packages that we offer. And the purpose of these preset packages is to set team bonus levels for everybody. Now, we do have a great friends and family referral program. It's our affiliate program. You do not have to participate in it. If you wish to just buy a mining plan and earn residual income over that, you can totally do that. We have plans starting as low as 40, and for team building purposes, up to $4,000. So each one of these plans earns you about 0.5% per day. It's not fixed. Okay, because it is based on the market value of the coins that day. So they can fluctuate a little bit, but you can expect an average of about 15 to 16%. Every single one of these packages will earn you a 10% referral fee, meaning if you refer somebody into the program, you would get 10% of that. But I'll go a little bit into that. But by far, I would say our most popular package is at $1,200 because it gives you a nice affordable package and the ability to be able to earn a nice set of income along with some team bonuses along with it. Okay, so let's talk about our partnership program. Okay, every single person that is enrolled with us has the option of, it's actually, you'll automatically be enrolled into our affiliate program. You can participate or choose not to participate. However, it is done automatically and it's at no cost to anybody whatsoever. So there's no monthly fee associated with it. And if you refer anybody to the program, you'll be able to benefit from some of those as well. Now, let me show you what the benefits are actually of participating in the program. I myself participate quite a bit, only because I do network marketing professionally, and nothing gets you from A to Z with no formal training or no formal education faster than network marketing does. So I'm a huge advocate of it. However, like I said, if you choose not to participate and just purchase a plan, totally fine. But I find that most people, once they start earning residual income through AWS Mining, they want to share it anyway. At the end of the day, having an affiliate program or a referral program is nothing more than sharing the information. And if somebody signs up with you, you get a bonus for that. So speaking of which, let's talk about the first bonus. If you do refer anybody directly into the program, we have a direct referral package, which is 10%, which basically means anybody that you refer directly who also purchases a mining plan, that would give you a 10% direct referral bonus. So irregardless of what package you came in at, it could even be the $40 package. If you refer somebody with a $2,000 package, for example, you would earn 10% of that, which is $200. And there's no cap or anything on that. You can refer as many people as you want and be able to earn 10%. This is a phenomenal program because it allows people who may not necessarily be able to come in at the larger packages to be able to do so at a very affordable rate and start earning income immediately. Now, the second payment option that we have is called our acceleration bonus. And what that essentially means is every single person that you directly refer into the program, whatever mining power that they purchase, which is CMPs, you can earn 1% more towards your own mining power. So if somebody buys 10 CMPs, okay, which is the equivalent of $4,000, you would earn 0.1 CMP towards your own program. So if you had 5 CMPs, it would now become 5.1. Now, the reason why that's important is because those CMPs, or crypto mining power, is what is needed in order for you to be able to create residual income for yourself on a daily basis with or without referring others. The more mining power you have, okay, the more you earn on a daily basis. So essentially, the more you refer, the more you earn, and this continues for the lifetime of their contract. All right, so until their contract expires, you will continue to earn that 1% extra until they're no longer funding their account, okay? And then now the third way that you can earn income with us is through our team bonuses, and that can earn you up to 10%. Now, we build 2 teams left and right, and a $40 plan earns you 4% of the volume on your lesser side, a $400 plan 6%, a $1,200 plan 8%, and $4,000 plans end up 10%. All right, $4,000 is not by far not the maximum plan that you can purchase. You can purchase 10,000, 40,000, 100,000, whatever you want, but it does maximize at 10% for the team bonuses. All right, so if you have a $400 plan, you would be earning 6% team bonus on all the volume, all the spillover, anything that touches your lesser side, you actually get a percentage of it. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you personally sponsored them or not, and it goes on for infinite levels. There is a daily cap depending on your position, but that's detailed further in your compensation plan. We also pay a residual income up to 5 levels. This is for not only people that you personally sponsor, but the ones they go on to sponsor and the ones they go on to sponsor, and that goes on for about 5 levels. What it is that you earn a percentage of a maintenance fee that we charge, all right? 20% of the gross income that you make with your mining plan goes back to AWS in the form of a maintenance fee. That's basically for overhead and electricity and cooling costs and all those kinds of things. And it's not something that you really see, all right? You see your net going in every day, but there is a cushion between what it is that you're netting and what it is that you're grossing. And a percentage of that gets paid out to you as a sponsor from your downline, okay? And that pays on a daily basis. Again, more details on that in your compensation plan, but know that you can get up to 25%. So this is one of the final ways that you can collect income from AWS Mining. It's actually one of my favorites, and this is through rank bonuses. So as you are building sales volume, okay, because at the end of the day, we're selling mining contracts, you get to reach certain positions within the company. Now, a coordinator position is $10,000 in sales volume. That awards you a $100 bonus. A supervisor position is $50,000 sales volume in your weaker leg. That gives you a $400 bonus. Manager gives you $800, director $4,000. Vice president earns you $10,000 bonus. And a president's position earns you a $100,000 bonus. So these are quite significant only because the moment you hit these positions, this is paid out to you as cash. All right, I know a lot of programs may give you iPads, watches, whatever. I prefer cash. Okay, if I need a car, I can certainly do that with a $100,000 bonus. So, you know, we just find that members tend to prefer that. So the moment this happens, it goes right into your account. Now, that covers pretty much all the ways that we get paid. But most importantly, I want to cover how it is that we get paid. You do get paid in Bitcoins. We are mining several different coins. Those coins add to the sustainability of the contracts, the company, and it makes sure that your contracts with us remain profitable. Because as the Bitcoin is soaring, which it is, my goodness, you know, so does the difficulty rating, and we want to make sure that whatever you contracted with us stays profitable. But more importantly, we keep it very simple when it comes to our payment plan. There's no hoops or certain tiers or groupings or whatever that you have to meet. Okay, every single one of our plans pays instantly. There's no waiting period. There's no monthly subscription fees. All bonuses pay daily, even the binary bonuses. And you can withdraw at any time. Right now, the minimum to withdraw is $30. There is no maximum limit, and we don't charge any fees for you to withdraw from your account. You are subject to market fees and transaction fees, you know, by the block. But again, that all gets paid to the network, not to AWS. So if you can imagine entering a program for as little as $40, and you even refer one person at $400, you would make that $40 back immediately, and you can withdraw it again immediately. We have a lot of people who join our program at the lower packages and just either upgrade as they go along. You can use your earnings to upgrade your account if you want, or you can just withdraw it. It's totally up to you. We don't dictate how it is that you have to spend your money. So it's not required for you to reinvest. Although if you want to build your portfolio, you're more than welcome to do so. And we just make it, again, very simple. There's no holding period. Also, the moment you withdraw your funds, it is available immediately. Okay, and I find that's what's most important when it comes to being able to earn income with any one of these programs. So we also have an app that you can download. You can go to teamnova.co and download our free app. And it just gives you some videos, some information, a gallery. It's, you know, not anything over the top fancy, but I did want to provide something that would allow people to have something on their phone where they can find information readily and easily. So that's pretty much our presentation. If you want to find me, you can either find me on the app, which is teamnova.co. You can also go to our website, which is AWSMining.co or AWSNova.co, because we are Team Nova. And again, my name is Cynthia Petian. I am the international team leader for Team Nova. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You'll find us on WhatsApp. You'll find us on Telegram, YouTube, you name it. But by downloading the app at teamnova.co, you'll find all the avenues that you can reach out to us and get some information. All right, and you can even register from the app. Just make sure that you get back to whoever shared it with you so that they can give you their sponsor code in order to make sure you get registered correctly. All right, so I had a blast talking to you guys. If you have any questions, please let us know. And I look forward to having you with us, hopefully. All right, take care.